Okay, guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So much to talk about. बहुत बात करने को है, and I've got two great panelists. एक हमारा La Liga, all the way from Dallas, US, from the soccer nation, La Liga correspondent, but जो Dallas में रहता है for some weird reason, but Real Madrid, Madrista है वो, right? Ali Naqvi joins us. कैसे हो अली?
Thank you. Good to be here finally. And मुझे ये नहीं पता कि डैलस
अली
में रहना
अली स्मॉल टॉक
weird क्यों था.
अली स्मॉल टॉक नहीं करो अली स्मॉल टॉक नहीं करो
Shit. All right. So that's how it's gonna be then. So I should ease down. Yeah.
ठीक है
No.
along the way मैं रजा का इंट्रोड्यूस रजा को बुला लूं
नहीं है.
अच्छा तो ऑल द वे फ्रॉम दोहा कतर रजा लिवरपूल का हमारा भाई फैन लिस्ट
Shit.
कैसे हो
रजा
रजा
ना आ
यार
जाए please. उसकी वीडियो ड्रॉप हो जाए
और
please.
रजा आ गया और रजा की वीडियो हैंग
Oh
हो गई
yes, उसकी वीडियो ड्रॉप हो गई.
Oh shit.
ग्रेट
चलो फिर
इंट्रोडक्शन
आवाज से
यार
करते
बॉयज
हैं।
क्रेजी कल तो अच्छे मैचेस हुए कल मुझे भी मैचेस देखने का मेरा तो वही था लालच बेसिकली लिवरपूल बॉयज का लाइक नेदरलैंड्स एंड स्वीडन वैन डाइक ग्रावेनबर्ग और रजा का मेरा फेवरेट कोडी गैक्पो क्या यार बंदा व्हाट अ डिफरेंट गाय यार आई मीन लिवरपूल के लिए एंड हॉलैंड के लिए बट ईसाक ने कोई गोल वगैरह तो स्कोर नहीं किया बट उसका
लेकिन he
ओवरऑल
played
प्ले एंड
really well.
द असिस्ट एग्जैक्टली क्रेजी इसने बहुत अच्छा खेला ऐसा क्या देखा
Yeah.
था मैच
यार बिट्स एंड पीसेस में देखा था मतलब बैकग्राउंड में चल रहा था लेकिन जो ईसाक का मैंने देखा ही वाज ओनली वन दैट आई वाज लुकिंग आउट फॉर बिकॉज मुझे पता था कि गैकपो तो हमेशा हॉलैंड के लिए अच्छा ही थी खेलता है but Isak की performance was the kind of performance that Liverpool fans didn't see at all last season and obviously he's been injured and वो Newcastle के साथ तो drama हुआ था but that's something I hope he can do next season because मैं पहले भी बोल चुका हूँ if Isak gets firing then Liverpool have a shot at winning the league. But if he gets injured again, yeah, if he has another average season, then I don't think आप कोई भी winger ले लो, कोई भी midfielder ले लो, as long as you don't have that guy up front who's going to score 30 goals in a season at least, you can't win the league.
I think that's Ekitike को काफी underestimate करते हैं consistently.
यार
I think
Ekitike
यार
is
he was great for a good part of
हाँ
the
उसका
season.
ये भी है ना
That's
he's
fair.
injured first 4 months so
Correct.
he might miss due to injury.
हाँ,
तो
no, that's true. That's true.
आई थिंक he's out till Jan मुझे तो Jan तक लग रहा है he's out
oh that's
I mean,
अगर Jan है
possibly
तो
just
that's really bad.
coming back as well, so time to lagega. But I feel in terms of having a backup striker and a front striker, if they get firing, those are the best two options you should have. Or you could
बैकअप
have, right?
स्ट्राइकर बैकअप स्ट्राइकर से याद है कि डार्विन नूनियज बहुत फ्री ट्रांसफर लिंक कर रहा है यार I'd have him back at Liverpool यार
Yeah, as long as he's willing to sit on the bench, because obviously if Isak is fit, तो
he'll
उसको
have to
start नहीं मिल रहे. So if he is happy with that, तो फिर वो अलग बात है. But I can't see it. Realistically, मुझे समझ नहीं आता. Why would he just come to sit on the bench and play maybe EFL Cup games, FA Cup games, max? Maybe Champions League में अगर Liverpool बहुत easily cruise कर रही है, he might get some games. But Premier League में तो for sure Isak will start, and then eventually जब Ekitike आ जाएगा, फिर he'll be the next in line. तो यूनेस के लिए आई वुड लव टू हैव हिम बैक एज अ स्क्वाड प्लेयर बट इफ ही इज हैप्पी विद दैट वरना उसकी भी तो वो भी तो ड्रामा है ना काफी तो ही इज समवन विल गेट पिस्ड ऑफ एज वेल इफ ही इज नॉट स्टार्टिंग आफ्टर अ व्हाइल वो भी कुछ बोलना शुरू हो जाएगा यूरुग्वाइन प्रेस को
क्राउड में लड़ाई शुरू कर देगा.
या एंड उसकी ऐसी पर्सनालिटी है कि वो बहुत ही लाइक ही जस्ट सेज व्हाटएवर इज ऑन हिज माइंड
मैड
तो
बास्टर्ड है वो
अवॉइड करो उसको या उससे अच्छा कोई यंग प्रॉमिसिंग स्ट्राइकर ले लो कहीं भी आई एम श्योर इराओला को कोई ना कोई स्पेन में पता होगा कोई क्रेजी 18 साल का कोई यंग स्ट्राइकर
या मेरा पता है क्या why would I have him back at Liverpool एक तो he knows what it means to play for Liverpool लीग जीता हुआ है under Klopp plus he you can't rely on Isak and Ekitike दोनों especially Isak दोनों बहुत इंजरी प्रोन प्लेयर्स हैं स्पेशली इसाक और जो अग्रेसिव फ्रंट फुट हेवी मेटल स्टाइल है इसका इराओला सॉरी तो आई थिंक ही इज फुली सूटेड फॉर हिज स्टाइल ऑफ प्ले प्रेस करना he can
yeah
get
वो तो
triggered
उसका attitude and personality तो anyone that's why I'm saying most Liverpool fans will be really happy to have him back But from his point of view, is he going to get the game time he wants? Is he just going to be sitting on the bench if Isak, let's say, is fit? तो वो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि I don't know if it's a smart move for him. And Liverpool, we obviously will be paying a lot of money to him as well. It's not like वो ऐसी free में आ रहा है. उसकी
And
wages भी
yeah,
अच्छे
I always feel at some point nostalgia bias ko hata ke you have to look forward. Like you always think about.
True.
It just reminds me of the time Ronaldo could come back to Madrid, or his time at United, or Ramos ko वापस ले आओ एक season के लिए, just so that defensive woes खत्म हो. I just think you need to look forward, and there's always going to be another player, no matter how much you think it. Players keep coming in and stuff. So if you want a bench striker, I wouldn't go for I wouldn't go for Nunez, and for all the reasons Raza mentioned. कि उसने कीड़े तो करने हैं आके फिर.
Yeah, he won't be happy अगर वो 2-3 गेम नहीं खेलेगा. ये वो किएसा की तरह नहीं है. किएसा जो उसको स्लॉट ने फुल इमोशनली अब्यूज किया, एक मैच में नहीं खिलाया, इवन दो गोल करता है नेक्स्ट मैच वापस बेंच. वो Nunez isn't the type of player. He was a slot भी catch करता है. Thank God that guy's gone. I feel bad as well. He won us the league, but it's just something.
Shit, मैं तो सिर्फ ये सोच रहा हूँ. मैं I'll be honest here as a third party, like a non-Premier League, supporting, person. Had this happened to Man United, Arne Slot एक season में league जीत के एक season बाद निकाल देते, the amount of shit you guys would have given to have kicked out a Premier League winning.
तुम देखो जो हम ग्रुप में जो बात हमारे WhatsApp ग्रुप पर बात होती यही होती है कि Ten Hag का जो अली बोलता है, who's a United supporter, कि he should have stayed. हम बोलते हैं कि नहीं, he should not have. And Slot का भी ये है, of course he won us the league and that was all great. But even तुम किसी Liverpool fan से पूछोगे, even towards the second half of the season that he won the league, वो तो हमारी लगती कि Arsenal और City बिल्कुल ही lame ducks हो गए थे. But
I remember
the second half of the season was also pretty bad. The way we got humiliated in that league cup final to Newcastle, Crystal Palace, Israeli के हारे.
Last 10 games though, back-to-back losses. You saw the writing on the wall of what's happening.
Yeah, and the football has been, मतलब वो अलग बात है ना. क्लॉप का भी एक ऐसा सीजन आता है, लिवरपूल फोर्थ आई थी, बहुत ही बेकार सीजन है, पर उसमें वैन डाइक इंजर्ड था, उसमें सारे क्रूशियल प्लेयर्स इंजर्ड थे, एलिसन इंजर्ड था, तो you had an excuse. This guy doesn't have an excuse. The football was just horrible, यार. It was a terrible watch. And his team selection, everything.
पे होते थे, टीवी पे
हाँ, मैं यही
मैच चल रहा है,
कि मैं लिवरपूल गेम्स कभी ऐसे नहीं हुआ कि मैं हाफ द गेम
कभी नहीं होता था ऐसे.
And बस ट्विटर
एक चोर लगता था ना कि यार मैच आ रहा है, देखना तो पड़ेगा यार.
Yeah, and then वो inevitable goal concede कर रहे हैं last minute, and it was just yeah, he had to go. Doesn't matter.
मैं भी होता था, like लिवरपूल गेम आ रहा होता था, फिर सुबह 7 बजे मैं कहता था यार, why should I give a shit?
Yeah, एक दो दफा तो मैंने मिस किए हैं for the first time in ages. मैंने actual Premier League games मिस किए हैं 2-3 लिवरपूल के, because I was just like यार, I know what's gonna happen. and वही होता था, वो 2-1 हार गए, and मैं 1-0 से जीत रहे थे, 2-1 हार गए, so I just stopped watching. So it needed to change, and yeah, it seems like हम बहुत ही entitled हैं कि एक और लीग क्यों नहीं जिताई, but it's not even that. वो fourth आता अच्छी फुटबॉल खेल के, I don't think लोग बोलते कि इसको निकालो. It's just the awful
style of play, connection with fans, and obviously
yeah, ये भी है. Yeah, Liverpool is a club जहाँ managers को full दोस्ती बनानी होती है fan. This guy just कभी mingle नहीं करता था with the fans. Klopp की हर 2 दिन बाद वीडियो आती थी कि कोई hospital गया हुआ है, कहीं गया. With this guy would just never be seen doing anything, never mingling with the fans. It's just his personality didn't match.
It didn't help the issues with Salah and everything as well. I don't think it,
Yeah, and वो अभी like I said, अभी मुझे मैं इस चीज को भी डाउट कर रहा हूँ कि whether Salah का actual drop off हुआ भी था, or was it just this guy who Van Dijk is joker बन गया था last season under him. Konate तो absolute ridiculous player बन गया था, and everyone looked worse in this season under McAllister.
Yeah, I'm hoping that was the case, and Konate still has something. Like it's been 3-4 seasons of Konate, and I thought he was a pretty decent defender. Like not that much the kind that we.
Konate का है, उसका ना he during the match उसका एक phase आता है 10 मिनट का, where he loses concentration, और वो इतने school boy errors, basic back passes करता है.
Yeah,
वो उसका होता है.
But you feel like playing for Real Madrid in La Liga, maybe he'll get away with it more than he would at Liverpool. जहाँ के Bournemouth away जाके आपने गलती कर दी, तो वहीं straight away you get punished for it. Whereas La Liga में if you're 5-0 up और वो एक 5-1 अगर Getafe ने कर दिया तो खैर है.
नहीं, because I agree with that. It's just I think it's a less entertaining league to see. I'm not gonna sit here and defend La Liga because मैं खुद भी नहीं बर्दाश्त कर पाता इतनी ज़्यादा time तक, to be honest. It's not like, I mean, Real Madrid or Barcelona often lose as many matches as, the top 3-4 teams as
आजकल
well, right?
especially.
जाके हार रहे होते हैं, games भी lose कर रहे होते हैं. I understand the pressure की बात है वो वैसे नहीं होती because they know they can make up for it the next game. The problem with clubs with Real Madrid and Barcelona is that अगर आपने लूज आउट कर दिया, आपको सेकंड चांस क्लब को मिल जाता है, प्लेयर को नहीं मिलता वापस
Yeah.
अपनी पोजीशन बनाने का. अभी से हमारा जो लेफ्ट बैक था वो उसको निकालने के लिए एक साल पहले इतना शोर मचा के लेके आए थे, 6 months उसकी इतनी तारीफ हो रही थी. Now they're already looking for left backs in the market. They want him out. Trent ko dekh lo, he's already like in a position. Even though it's not as much his fault, he was injured for a large part of the season. The club was in a horrible position. He's done pretty well in the last month or two, and people can see what he's capable of. But they're
Yes.
already looking at other options. He did pretty well in the Champions League games against City, against Bayern Munich. Quite a few games end of La Liga. You could see his range of passing. I didn't understand that bit for a long parts of time. कि क्यों सब इतना crazy थे about him with his passing and stuff, right? But you could see it towards the last month and a half कि वो कितना उसकी
उसकी passing तो
में
है, हाँ, he's a very good passer of the ball, no doubt. But I think his only issue is इसका work rate बिल्कुल खत्म हो गया है.
No,
जो
but
उसका
yeah.
शुरू में होता था, Klopp के अंडर जो होता था ना, just this young guy running down the flanks and
Yeah.
running back. I feel like now he's become very lazy. जो वो video clips भी आ रही होती हैं Real Madrid players की on the bench saying why is he not running, and that's something that हमने last season Liverpool पे भी देखा था. जो his running just stopped. He just stopped giving a shit about coming back and covering his man and ball lose की तो वापस win करना. He just seemed he बहुत lazy तरीके से खेलता है. That's his
No,
problem.
of course. I just think there's a lot of question marks about his position in the team ever since Jose Mourinho's coming as well. Dumfries ko bhi leke aa raha hai. It's more his kind of player who's strong at the back as well, not really just going forward. The thing that I recall from Mourinho's time and Ancelotti's initial time then is that jab same problem hoti thi between Marcelo and he was a replacement for Roberto Carlos for a good part of the first 4-5 seasons. Defending nahi karta, going forward बहुत अच्छा है. Barcelona was just like all over him for a couple of years as well. Instead of pushing him out, the way they did it was that Mourinho split it up between home and away games between Marcelo and Coentrao, and he focused more on Coentrao for the away games, जहाँ उसको ज़्यादा defensive approach रखनी थी. And that was the same case with Higuain and Benzema as well. कि वो Higuain को और Benzema को switch करता था home and away games में, especially UEFA Champions League में as well. And in that time, ज़्यादा उनको space मिली home games खेलने की, जहाँ पे naturally, like La Liga and stuff, they are stronger at home. There is crowd support, gives them the confidence, builds the confidence. थोड़ा बच्चों के against भी defending वगैरह करके. That's how he built Marcelo into a good player. And furthermore, like Ancelotti ने भी फिर same चीज को आगे लेके गया. Eventually, Marcelo captained the team. If that works for Trent as well, and it is a big part of Trent wanting to do that as well. The thing with South American players like Marcelo was उनको खेलना ही La Liga होता है. They never really wanted to go anywhere else, go to Premier League. Trent has this in his mind. I have a window to go back to the Premier League. मुझे कोई ले लेगा. So he has to then focus fully. Okay, this is where I want to be. This
But
is
the
where I
only
want
thing
to
is
stay.
जो तुम बता रहे हो ना कि in this whole scenario you have to consider कि Mourinho is now in charge and वो बहुत ही short term manager है. He's going to look for instant results, and if Trent isn't doing it, he's going to immediately be like, yeah, I can't lose my job because of this guy, bench him. And then
That's true.
like इसको वो chances नहीं मिलेंगे जो maybe Ancelotti दे रहा था.
Correct.
He
The
will
only
have less
reason,
patience.
one more thing that probably adds to it is that there is such lack of creativity in the Madrid team, and Mbappe is not the kind of person who's going to be like Messi dropping back, making some plays, and you need some creativity, and maybe he uses that to some extent. We need some sort of creativity, some range
Midfield
of
में क्या
passing.
पता खिला दे उसको.
Because you have great finishers like Mbappe and Vinny up front. They need some kind of delivery as well. क्योंकि वो ज़्यादातर hang about करेंगे उधर. So that's why I know Tiki ने जो है ये पिक्चर लगाई भी है बहुत देर से, तो हम उसको थोड़ा सा
वो
time
शक्ल
दे
कितनी
दें.
ड्रीमी बना रहा है कुकुरेला.
Tiki तुम
Ali,
what do you
बताओ यार,
guys
how do
make
you
of?
rate the signing?
I actually rate it quite positively. Like I think Cucurella is also another player जिसको बहुत underrate करते हैं Premier League में. I don't know इसके बालों के चक्कर है क्या चक्कर है इसको. I just like thought it was really stupid, the song he made about Haaland after the Euro final that they won, and like itna zyada like hero बनने की जरूरत नहीं थी. But I think for a good part of the last Premier League season as well, he was, a top defender. And from a Real Madrid point of view, for all the reasons you guys do mention, right, it is somewhat of a less pressure, less, aggressive league compared to the Premier League. वो चीजों में I think he's going to work well. He's a better defender as well. And that's the thing कि अगर वो left side को भी fill out कर रहा है, at least एक right side पे he could still, you could see kind getting some opportunities, because that's why he's trying to go for stronger left backs as well. So I think he is Spanish. He is going back home. I think it's a good signing generally for the club. So we do need defenders, Real Madrid. So
I didn't think he Real type. I was surprised जब Mourinho ने उसको sign किया. I mean, he's a typical Mourinho signing. He's not a great left back या Premier League को भी ऐसा नहीं कि like he's one of the best left backs ever. लेकिन not a Galactico type signing. लेकिन I can see why Mourinho signed him. और किसको करोगे? Like you don't have any great left backs available.
I mean, Nuno
हम ही सा
Mendes
बंदा है.
तो आया
Mourinho.
नहीं.
Nuno Mendes. I mean वो तो PSG में ना. I don't think he's coming to.
Yeah.
I would love to have
Yeah,
him
I
in
think
Liverpool
both
as
hit
well.
sign. I think he's going to be very good. I think देखना
Yeah,
है
in
ये
the
सब.
available market in La Liga, as a Spanish player going back, I think he knows the La Liga as well. And Mourinho from that end wants him to just defend. वो उसको ज़्यादा focus करेगा ही नहीं कि यार तुम आगे जाओ, तुम overlaps करो. Vinny's winning, running up and down the ring, half a line तक तो आ ही जाता है. I think he's just delivering balls to him and letting Vinny use his space. That's the reason I thought because he's signing like that, it maybe gives some room for the right back to go up and down more often than he would normally want them to. What Real truly is missing still, amongst other things, I mean, is a center back, like a proper center back. A lot of conversations about Slaughterback and
तो मिल गया
stuff.
ना
I
ये
don't really know. I mean,
ये बंदा आ गया ना तुम्हारे पास.
I mean, yeah, आया तो है तो Militao भी injury prone, who was supposed to be the starter. Rudiger, who can go crazy at any point as well. What I'm kind of like worried about is like I thought Huijsen was going to be the long-term center back. I don't know, like you guys said, Mourinho में कितना temperament है to like give him time.
Is Huijsen the Mourinho type center back? I don't think so.
उसके demeanor से नहीं लगता ना. He still looks like a 17-year-old kid that could be pushed around and stuff. So maybe he's not that tall, like the kind Mourinho wanted, like Varane to be taller. Even if there's some kind of mistakes and stuff, you needed someone in the air to be there. So yeah, I still think they need a better center back, like a more starting kind of center back. Saliba, so I don't think of आएगा. Initially, एक साल पहले I was thinking Saliba and Konate were going to be the new center back pairing, is what we were dreaming of, but it's looking slightly unlikely. And
नहीं, लेकिन मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि अगर फर्ज करो जो भी रूडिगर वगैरह इंजर्ड होते हैं तो और डम्फ्रीज अगर अवेलेबल नहीं है तो that's insane to think कि रियल की जो बैक फोर है उसमें ट्रेंट, कोनाटे एंड कुकुरेला होंगे. कुकुरेला चलो दैट इज फाइन, लेकिन ट्रेंट और कोनाटे एट द सेम एंड राइट फ्लैंक पे, दैट्स chaos. हमने देखा है, वी विटनेस इट फर्स्ट हैंड.
Yeah, that's true. I mean,
That's why I don't think Trent will play much.
I haven't been that
Trent
excited by the.
नहीं.
I haven't been that excited by the signings yet. Like you said, एक तो era part है कि Galacticos type signings नहीं है. Fair enough.
But yeah,
but
boy,
they're not like solid signings just yet as well. I mean, you saw him in the first game for Portugal, right? He's not the answer. Like if you have people like Ronaldo, Mbappe, जिनको ये criticize किया जाता है कि they don't like come back, they don't like defend a lot, they're waiting for delivery and stuff. For Portugal, that wasn't the answer, right? Playing him at the right wing for a large part of the Nations League and stuff. He actually center में खेल रहा था. Vitinha, Ruben Neves की position पे इसने खेला है काफी. I don't think he has the legs to go up and down that much. Maybe Mourinho, it's still a question mark as to what formation he's going to play. Mourinho used to play the 4-2-3-1. जिसमें Ronaldo, Ozil or Di Maria पीछे होते थे striker के. Ancelotti changed it to a 4-3-3. Zidane kept the 4-3-3. For a decade, 4-3-3 worked for Real Madrid. Arbeloa, Xabi Alonso tried to change it. Any manager that tried to change out of the 4-3-3, Rafa Benitez भी आया था and stuff, it didn't really work for Madrid, the kind of players they had. it still then brings up the question mark. Like if they do go back to the 4-3-3, I would probably prefer him in the middle rather than the front three. Some sort of creativity जो lack कर रहे हैं और कोई player मिल नहीं रहा तो आप इससे expect करो या कोशिश करो कि वो कुछ games वगैरह बनाए. Um, it's a good backup signing. It's a good bench signing because Real bench भी बिल्कुल miss कर रहा है. What has been strong about Madrid over the past decade probably has been a strong bench. And that was literally all Zidane did. If you really knew like Zidane's game, saw the games week in, week out, he constantly said, I want a full squad in March. That is my only मैं मार्च में पूरी स्क्वाड लेके आ जाऊंगा तो ये इतने ज्यादा bench strong players हैं they're gonna win you the league and they're gonna win you whatever you're fighting for. That's what I always thought was the case why City was strong for a long time. उनकी bench strength थी and that's what Arsenal eventually did last season. के have a strong enough bench के bench से players आ रहे हैं and making those impact and stuff. From that point of view, I think it's helpful to have a player like him. You need some sort of seniority as well. Mourinho लाता है इस किस्म के players. माइकल एसियन को लेके आया था, हामिद अल्टन टॉप को लेके आया था,
Rodri
को लेके आया था. Rodri can come. The
Rodri sign नहीं
conversation
करा.
has
Rodri
it has
sign नहीं
died
करा
down.
contract.
The conversation has died down. It is a Mourinho kind of signing because he will go for a 29-year-old. It is still like थोड़ा सा. Had he not been injured last season, I would have been really excited about it. But having seen what happened to Casemiro when he left as a 29-year-old, we thought he's at the peak of his powers, done everything with Real Madrid. It didn't work out for him that much. If you consider Manchester United a mid-club table for the past 3-4 seasons, then he wasn't a bad player for a couple of seasons for them as a mid-tier club. But Rodri आता है तो obviously it's gonna be great. Real Madrid ने कुकुरेला तो सिर्फ इसलिए साइन किया था ताकि स्पेन के फर्स्ट गेम से पहले वो क्लेम कर सके कि एक रियल मैड्रिड का प्लेयर है स्क्वाड में. ये भी एक पॉसिबिलिटी एक कॉन्वर्सेशन थी. But Rodri is the kind of player that you're looking for, that you need, Real Madrid.
Exactly.
Tchouaméni is there, little bit hot and cold. Camavinga, hot and cold. Last season was bad.
अभी फटा किससे हुआ था?
Valverde से हुआ था Tchouaméni का.
Tchouaméni था, yeah.
And Valverde is the best midfielder they have at the moment.
Oh नहीं, sorry, वो टेबल पे लगा था Valverde का सर, sorry.
Yeah. So they claim. इसीलिए इतनी छोटी सी बात पे उन्होंने 500 कितने thousand euros या कितना फाइन लगाया था for such a small thing.
500,000 यार.
Yeah, small thing, right? But yeah, like Real has a lot of questions to answer, and either it's going to be like a really strong Inter Milan का जैसे 1-2 सीजन थे where team of oldies, वहाँ भी Inter Milan में भी जमा किए थे उसने अपने strong Samuel and Lucio and Snyder type के old and experienced players. या फिर total chaos है and ना सिर्फ Mourinho खुद डूबेगा इस दफा वो पेरेस को लेके डूबेगा because the other guy came in with 35% votes and that's a really strong showing के there's noise about Perez being moved around as well. But yeah, lots of questions for Madrid still to answer. And just keep an eye out for random names जो World Cup में नजर आएंगे like James Rodriguez from 2014 जिसके पीछे Real पर जाएगा, Ozil and Khedira from Di Maria 2010, so could be some players they're going for. Highly surprised and upset and we can move on to Liverpool as well कि उन्होंने अपना buyback clause नहीं किया Victor Munoz का and यही लग रहा है कि Nico Paz पे भी miss out करेगा Real Madrid. Two exciting players, unfortunately, looks like they might be heading elsewhere.
Yeah, but Real का वही है ना, they don't buy young. I mean, no youngster will start in their lineup unless वो elite player हो.
It depends if that position is open, right? They have the right wing open. There is no Olise is not coming. Salah को वो नहीं लेंगे. Right wing जो player है, they have a player missing over there. So it only fills out when Casemiro जैसे था उसको वो Castilla से लेके ऊपर लेके आए because they needed a Xabi Alonso के जाने के बाद they didn't have that position filled. Right back पे उनको position चाहिए थी, कोई मिल नहीं रहा था. They tried all these players, right? उन सबको हटा दिया. Brought back Carvajal को वापस लेकर आए. Vinny Junior left wing पे एम्बापे नहीं आ रहा था. Okay, they didn't find anyone. उसको फिर Castilla से ऊपर लाके जगह मिल गई. as opposed to that Odegaard ko nahi mili. The strong midfield he was never going to play at Real Madrid. So it just depends on that position. That's why you felt Hoyson can get a chance because center back positioning है. Same thing, आपको right back पे जगह मिल सकती है. I wouldn't say get a left wing or a striker because उसके लिए मुश्किल होगा young player का to fit into Real Madrid. Right wing पे there's position open, right? It doesn't look like Arda Güler को वो खिलाने को ज़्यादा तैयार हैं. Winston Tuano is too young right now कि उसको fully focus करें. So there was an availability. So it's only those kind of positions where a young player ends up taking a position at Madrid. Otherwise, you're right. It's if there's any club, I will admit it after 16 years. If I would have wanted to go to a club as a player, I probably would have gone to Liverpool at this point in time. It's just more exciting football. It's more opportunity to play. And like you said, a big part of it is a young, Spanish coach who has knowledge of, Spanish players.
Yeah,
That's attracting the players over there as well. And, you guys should hope like someone like Nico Paz as well passes over Arsenal and stuff and, takes that opportunity.
अभी
जबरदस्त साइनिंग है आई थिंक.
नहीं मैं देख रहा हूँ स्पेन 3-0 up हो गई है सऊदी के अगेंस्ट.
I mean,
ये तो गोल डिफरेंस.
ओयार जबाल ने गोल्स, ये हमेशा स्पेन के लिए गोल्स करता है.
Yeah, I mean he's probably like
Social
30 or something now. Never really you wouldn't see him in conversations. Anyone wants him. Real
जब भी कोई
Barca,
इंटरनेशनल
Atletico.
टूर्नामेंट आता है इसका हमेशा नाम है. he always does
Yeah.
well for Spain.
It
यार आई
is,
होप इसको चांस मिले आज. विक्टर मुनियस को आज थोड़ा सा देखने को
हाँ
मिल
हो
जाएगा
सकता है
आई गेस.
सेकंड हाफ में ले आए अगर इतना इजी चल रहा है. मे बी अराउंड द
Yeah.
70th or 80th मिनट. लगता भी जोटा और टोरेस का मिक्स लगता है वैसे.
जोटा टोरेस और बिल्ड इसकी यार क्रेग बेलेमी टाइप है. बिल्ड भी है द वे ही रन्स ड्रिबलिंग. बट हाँ जोटा और टोरेस का कितना क्रेजी मिक्सचर है ना. हिब्रिड है बॉय. ही लुक्स गुड दो.
टोरेस की भी ऐसी
अच्छा
शक्ल थी
प्लेयर
जब
लग रहा है
नया
यार.
आया था एटलेटिको से.
हाँ.
Well, yeah, I hope if he can just kick on, considering Rio है इसके लेफ्ट साइड पे. अब इसका पता नहीं कोडी गैक्पो का क्या होगा. We don't really know what's going to happen with him.
जा रहा है. You can see him going. और
Yeah, हाँ,
like crazy
I really
players.
want him to have a good World Cup ताकि उसके price tag भी बढ़ जाए.
Me too.
क्योंकि without a good World Cup कोई इसको नहीं खरीदने वाला था. But now maybe some teams might be
Bayern.
like, oh, Bayern, yeah, Inter Milan or whatever might
Bayern
look at
जाएगा.
him and be like, that's a good option. तो अब I think maybe इस World
Never
Cup की
know.
वजह से इसके 10-20 मिलियन ज़्यादा मिल जाएंगे.
There's always some conversation. I saw an interview of Steven Gerrard का as well, where he thought
हाँ नहीं boy
Liverpool
goals भी कर रहा है,
should go
assist भी
for-
कर रहा है. I like that. Like
sorry.
Steven Gerrard का क्या कह रहे थे अली?
मैं कहता Steven Gerrard से जो question आया था, how do you replace Mo Salah in the squad, and he was of the
Yeah,
opinion that
hang
they
on,
should
repeat
bring
करो.
back Luis Diaz.
उसने बोला bring him back. यार bring back तो
हाँ.
खैर नहीं होगा. अब तो बायर नहीं छोड़ती उसको. Too bad. And to be fair, Luis Diaz का जैसे
बायर
season
नहीं
गया था,
छोड़ेगा.
when we sold him, I can sort of understand why he was sold because वो season में Gakpo actually did a little better than Diaz. But Diaz always had more of a fight than Gakpo. You could always tell Diaz was more of a crowd favorite as well.
Yeah.
तो उस angle से, you could be like, they could have stuck with him for another season. But obviously slot का तो अब पता चल गया जो love affair है for Gakpo के साथ. तो now we can see why he chose Gakpo over.
Luis
Sadly,
को
Luis Diaz, who's gone insane now.
Do we still have Tiki?
लिवरपूल ने हाँ
Tiki? Connection सही है?
हैंग हो गया मैं.
Yeah, good. Yeah,
पहले
good.
हुए थे I think. तुम्हारे delay से आवाज आ रही थी.
अच्छा. लिवरपूल ने भी थोड़ी सी हरामी हरकत की है ये with their statement laughing emoji. खाम में न्यूकासल को उंगल कर रहे हैं with that tweet.
ओ हाँ ये तो मैंने देखा ही नहीं.
हरामी देखो कीड़ा है, क्लियर कीड़ा है ये. और न्यूकासल फैंस भी फिर ना बेचारे तपे हुए हैं और गालियां दे रहे हैं न्यूकासल को ही. थैंक गॉड.
वैसे न्यूकासल
जो
फैंस
इनकी
खुश होंगे
बहुत-
कि ईसाक का जो सीजन गया है वो it was a horrible season from their point of view. They must be
No,
happy
of
कि
course.
after everything that happened, Isak had probably the worst season you could have imagined him having.
हाँ, because उसने खुद ही ट्रेनिंग रोकी थी and injury फिर उसकी he's
He's
very
just
injury
injured the
prone
whole
यार, but I
season, and
hope
then
he
when
has
he
a
plays, doesn't play well.
It is a problem, right? Raza ने mention किया था. I think Raza we discussed this कि जब इतना ज़्यादा drama हो जाता है, that player often doesn't really end up being a good player for the
Yeah,
next
especially
business,
जब
right?
इतना बड़ा price tag हो ना उस player पे यार, मतलब it's a massive price tag. Coutinho का भी
Yeah.
याद आता है. I mean, just Neymar, all these guys that people buy for insane amounts of money, then it just usually doesn't work out. But I hope Florian Wirtz का ये scenario नहीं है, and I was just hoping कि slot की bad management है, which is why he wasn't able to kick off, and next season he'll go crazy. But I am excited. Thankfully, now because of this change, I'm looking forward to this season. Warna under slot, I honestly was not looking forward to this
same.
summer
मैं तो
or
वर्ल्ड कप
next
भी नहीं
season.
देखता यार
I still shit.
मैं तो वर्ल्ड कप भी नहीं देखता बिल्कुल
मुझे
भी
पूरी
अबे
shock.
वैसे ही
Yeah.
seriously
I was
यार we
over
weren't
it.
looking forward to
So,
football
खत्म. I was like, जो भी खरीद ले Liverpool, I don't care. This guy is not going to be able to transition those players into the team, and he's just a terrible coach. And thankfully, Raul has come in. Let's see. There's no guarantee that he's going to do well, but at least you know with him, the playing style will be a lot better. Training will be a lot more intense. हम मजाक उड़ाते थे हम इंस्टाग्राम पे लिवरपूल की क्लिप्स हमेशा ये इंस्टाग्राम पे लिवरपूल के ऑफिशियल पेज पे आती थी ट्रेनिंग क्लिप्स आई वुड बी लाइक क्या हो रहा है यार ये वो कर बैठ के कॉफी पी रहे हैं और फिर छोटे छोटे केक अबाउट्स कर रहे हैं आई एम लाइक एंड एवरीवन कुड टेल दैट दिस इज नॉट द सेम लेवल यार जो फ्लॉप के अंडर वीडियोस आती थी वो भाग रहे हैं कुत्तों की तरह इसमें दे जस्ट टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर स्माइलिंग कर रहे हैं एंड देन apparently now we found out that Slot used to give them 2 or 3 days off per week, which is insane. Usually the
because
Premier League clubs only give you
स्लॉट खुद नेदरलैंड्स में होता था ना अपनी फैमिली के साथ फैमिली उसकी
उसकी
वहाँ
फैन
थी
ऊपर से ये भी तो आप कमिटमेंट क्या दिखा रहे हो फैंस को यार कि आपने वहाँ घर भी नहीं लिया हुआ है आप मैनचेस्टर में रहता था ये ऊपर से ही वुडंट इवन बी लिवरपूल हिज हाउस वाज इन मैनचेस्टर वो याद है मेरे कजन की जो वीडियो आई थी वो उसके पैडल मेरे कजन की पैडल की जगह
Hmm.
मैनचेस्टर में तो मैं से ही पूछा था कि वहाँ पे क्यों आता है इज लाइक वो रहता है यहाँ पे
Wow.
सो तो ये सारी चीजें डूइंग ऑल दिस शिट इज जस्ट so you can tell why Liverpool fans were very quick to get rid of him. But yeah, I hope this
यार
next season is a lot better.
बट स्पीकिंग ऑफ बिग प्राइस टैग्स मुझे इसके लिए थोड़ा सा डर लग रहा है बॉय के लिए
या मुझे इसका फील पता है
क्योंकि
क्या आ रही है आई फील लाइक हो जाएगा इसके साथ एग्री एंड देन व्हेन अदर बिगर क्लब्स लाइक पीएसजी विल सी ओह अच्छा दे आर विलिंग टू सेल हिम दे विल कम इन एंड स्वूप हिम आई कांट सी हिम कमिंग टू लिवरपूल इफ ही डज बहुत ही अमेजिंग साइनिंग है बट आई फील लाइक
रजा
दिस इज
ही
टू गुड
प्रेफर्स लिवरपूल ही प्रेफर्स
यार ये
लिवरपूल
सुना हुआ है मैंने कि देखना एंड में पीएसजी आ जाएगा यू थिंक इज गोना से नो टू पीएसजी
हाँ उसका वो
अनलेस
फ्रेंच
इसका कोई
कनेक्शन है ना बस
बचपन का
मेन
कोई लव है
चीज
लिवरपूल के लिए लाइक फ्रिम्पोंग का था आई रियली कांट सी दिस गाय आई थिंक एंड में कोई बड़ा क्लब आ जाएगा एंड दे विल स्वूप हिम आई जस्ट मैं इसके लिए अभी एक्साइटेड नहीं हो रहा बिकॉज़ आई हैव सीन दिस ऑफ हैपन वे टू मेनी टाइम्स विद सेमेन्यो
अच्छा
गेही
फर्स्ट करो लेट्स से वी डू साइन हिम इसको कहाँ खिलाएंगे हम सलाह की जगह खिलाएंगे एट द राइट विंग
या दे वुड हैव टू और तो कोई जगह नहीं बनती
बिकॉज फॉर आइवरी कोस्ट ये तो लेफ्ट विंग पे खेल रहा होता है
वही ना मतलब they'll have to left wing तो बिल्कुल especially now that they've signed this Munoz guy and with Rio considering if
रियो
everyone really rates him highly left तो scene ही नहीं है ना and Gakpo as well if he stays whatever तो left तो
गैप हो जा रहा है
he's not gonna play left तो the only
बट आपको
place he
एक और
can play
चाहिए एक और लीड आपको विंगर से या बैकअप जो यू नो इज विलिंग टू प्ले सेकंड फिडल टू Diomande एक और
yeah
चाहिए आपको मे बी लाइक अ जेरेड बावन टाइप साइनिंग लेकिन वो भी ही वुडंट स्टे ऑन द बेंच तो आई थिंक सो
yeah but exciting times so at least these names you know you can get excited about now अब यही अगर under slot आ रहा होता तो I would have been like यार I don't care I
आई
really
डोंट
don't
थिंक ये
care
बात नहीं करता लिवरपूल से बिकॉज इट्स बीन हर्ट के इराला ने इसको लाइक यू नो दो दो घंटे इसको जूम्स पे इसको टैक्टिक समझाएं कि तुझे भाई हम कहाँ खिलाएंगे तेरे लिए क्या टैक्टिकल प्लान्स हैं एंड यू नो ऑल दैट
So Iraola is apparently the complete opposite to Slot in terms of in training
हाँ
intensity. तो Semenyo का एक वो आया ना interview in which he was saying
हाँ
कि ये day off देता ही नहीं है. Even after matches he's like तुम लोग आओगे and शुरू में players के लिए it's not good. That's why I think ये जब शुरू में Bournemouth में आया था he was not doing well
हार
because
रहे थे
the players were not liking the training intensity.
11
तो
मैच
हो
हारे
सकता
थे
है
ये
शुरू
लोग
में Liverpool
ऑन द
I don't
ट्रॉट
think Liverpool will do crazy this season. I think ऐसे कुछ आएगा third fourth type ही होगा. But it'll be a lot better. They might win like a
आई टेक
FA
दैट
Cup.
I'll take
हाँ
that
as long
और
as
just style of play अच्छा हो भले कोई trophies ना हो I'm happy with that style of play अच्छा हो यार
yeah और
entertaining
चैंपियंस लीग
football
में अच्छा रन हो ये भी नहीं कि चैंपियंस लीग में जल्दी निकल गए यू नीड अ गुड चैंपियंस लीग रन अगर आप थर्ड फोर्थ आ रहे
एटलीस्ट सेमीफाइनल्स तक आओ डीप रन हो चैंपियंस लीग में। आई एम हैप्पी
हो या
कार्डिंग वो
ऐसा ही सीजन होगा। आई
कैराबाओ
डोंट थिंक
कप।
इमीडिएटली ये सेटल इन होगा एंड शुरू से ही मैच जीतना शुरू हो जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होगा।
ठीक है यार, मजा आया बॉयज, थैंक्स फॉर जॉइनिंग मी यार।
यार एक बस मुझे अली से बात पूछते हैं कि रोनाल्डो का क्या सीन है भाई, कि कब छोड़ देगा फुटबॉल?
यार
Yeah, I have thoughts around that. Obviously, like मैं तिकी से पहले ये बात कर रहा था nationally,
देखो
Real
लोग क्या
Madrid and
ट्वीट्स कर रहे हैं।
everything. There's a uh, deep connection to Ronaldo, and it is one thing. Ronaldo pushed himself all the way to 41 to playing this World Cup. It very much looked like Raza ke last World Cup ke baad he had announced that this is it, or he had given up, right? He had said the dream is over now for the World Cup, and
जो रोते हुए टनल में जा रहा था, उसकी वीडियो आई थी।
yeah, but he posted on Twitter the next day, right? And he just thanked Portugal, the national team. He thanked all his clubs, and he kind of like said that dream is over. He thanked the fans, and he looked like wo khatam ho gaya. And then they sacked the coach, and the federation said we're going to start anew and it's going to be fresh and everything. For whatever reason, Roberto Martinez Saudi jaake isko convince kiya that we want you to play. He set it up with the idea that you're going to be that central figure that we're going to play around. And let's just talk about why he's there. Obviously, the kind of personality he is, so he is gonna be there, right? And he's gonna.
Yeah,
Abhi tak
yeah.
dekho, Portugal mein koi like hangame to nahi hue to get him out. The team hasn't revolted or like koi wahan pe ladaiyan nahi hogi that we want you out of the team. 41 तक पहुंच गया है. जितना भी legend होगा एक time तक लोग फिर revolt कर जाएंगे. Manager is still sticking with it. They've won 2 Nations Cups, in recent times as well. And I do feel like these Nations Leagues are like, annoying. Your players का बहुत time ले रही है. But if you followed last Nations League, everyone was really into it. Full squad teams were playing. The players were really into it. Those were like good, tough matches. Performed pretty well in those. UEFA qualifiers को हटा दो. He always scores in those as well. But I just think if Martinez had brought him back, I don't think Martinez has done a good job in setting the team up around him. Or in the first place, didn't have the right conversation with him. Yaar, aap aaja, 60 minutes tak khelna.
Yeah.
Okay. Come back a little bit. You cannot be picking offside all the time, right? Wapas aao, thoda sa help karo.
Vitinha was taken off.
Right.
Vitinha was taken off.
देखो first match का मैं specifically बात नहीं करूंगा because this is a problem that's been going on for a bit now. But first match, everyone was horrible. Let's just like not hide behind that fact, right? They were all 3, 4, 5 wali rating ke, game khela sabne. If you are gonna keep him in the squad, if you look at all the matches that they played in the last 3 years, they always start Consensao or Trincao on one end. You need some speed, someone running down the flanks. Vitinha, Ruben Neves, Bernardo Silva, Bruno Fernandes. What do they always do anytime they get the ball in club? They send it out the wing. Kvaratskhelia khel raha hai, Cognac bhag raha hai, Mbuma bhag raha hai, Dembele bhag raha hai. They don't have that in Portugal. Remove Ronaldo, fine. Portugal does not have a front three. They're currently shit. So that was never really invested in. So I'm not going to just sit and say कि उसको delivery नहीं मिल रही. That's not the only problem. Ronaldo has to do his part as well. But you need to expand the game. You need players on the wing. Trincao, Consensao को start करो. João Felix को, like you said with Gakpo, there is possibilities. He does often play well for Portugal. Club में तो वो बिल्कुल ही छोड़ के चले गया Saudi में. But João Felix is still a name that you can use his speed. You can use him on the wing at least, for a bit. To use that time. And I think उनको अपने game को ऐसे Portugal को overall expand करना है, right? And at the same time, one of the benefits a little bit that Ronaldo still does, and for all the players that have complained about Ronaldo, there's a lot of players who defended him as well. So listening to, for example, Gail Clichy को मैं सुन रहा था, is that, and Wayne Rooney, who has been critical of him. Okay, one of the things that happened continuously in the game against DR Congo, right? That game? Is that Ronaldo constantly had 3 defenders on him. So Ronaldo the cover ho gaya, so Ronaldo शायद इतना effective ना हो. But the fact also is that he's pulling 3 defenders away. इसीलिए Ruben Neves को एक empty header मिला था goal मारने का. So the other players then have to utilize that. Ronaldo is going to find you that space के even though he's not as effective, एक दो defender constantly उस पे लगे रहेंगे just so that what if, like the what if of his name is still there. So it's really the other players that are gonna have to step up as well and use that thing as well. You can, it's a given. It's most likely he's gonna play the next two matches. So it's really
ये भी है
about
ना because Martinez seems unwilling to take him off or scared to
weak है
take him off because he
Martinez
knows
बहुत
कि वो सलाह वाला सीन हो जाएगा, उसको उतार देगा, वो कुछ बेंच पे जाके चीज बोतल उतल फेंक देगा and then all of a sudden drama
yeah,
शुरू
if he had sold it well to him, coming bringing him back 60 minutes खेलो हट जाओ, तो उसका अपना फायदा है, लंबा वर्ल्ड कप हो गया है और लंबा ड्रैग करेगा, सीजन चलेगा. You need white players to like make the runs behind and everything as well. वो चीज इस वक्त completely missing है, right? If you make those brings, make some attempts, ये rebounds पे अपने goals मार लेगा. He'll be effective that, but you need the other players to do something. That was the thing with Spain, right? अगर आपके पास Xavi, Iniesta, Busquets, Xabi Alonso थे, tiki taka कर रहे हैं, अपने passing कर रहे हैं, but you constantly had like a Pedro or someone making the runs, defenders को confuse कर रहे हैं,
Torres
whatever it is.
there will be
If you don't have that, right? You remember Fernando Torres का game बिल्कुल स्पेन के लिए वो वाला नहीं था जो लिवरपूल के लिए था. He was more of a poacher for Spain rather than like making those crazy fast-paced runs. That is the way they need to use it. And that is the problem for Portugal. They don't have a front three altogether, including or excluding Ronaldo. So जब तक वो सही नहीं होगा, that's what helped them in the other, tournaments.
and knowing him Uzbekistan and next game 2 goal उनको मार देगा and all of a sudden
Yeah, with
everyone
Ronaldo actually, big tournaments में, even games like Uzbekistan, he hasn't done well, if we're being honest.
yeah.
So
But you know how जब वो बहुत criticism ले रहा होता है and then he'll score a couple of goals against some small ass team and then it's all
अभी
back
पता है ना
to
ये करेगा
और फिर सब फ्लैट हो जाएंगे
स्कूल
wow
करेगा
why did we ever doubt him ये मेरी prediction ये है they play Uzbekistan next he's probably going to score
yeah,
2 goals or something and then everyone will be like
प्रॉब्ली
real
उज़्बेकी
real
प्लेयर्स इसके
hate.
बाद सेल्फीज ले रहे होंगे एंड में मैच के बाद
हाँ यार, नहीं असल में देखो, yeah, Ronaldo का चक्कर ये है कि Ronaldo was never naturally gifted like Messi. Messi तो ये था कि as soon as you have a good supporting cast, in the sense कि you have good mentors and you're a hard worker as well, तेरी natural ability थी जबरदस्त है, you're gonna go far. Ronaldo didn't have that, right? Ronaldo की ability was comparable to a lot of other players from his generation. It is purely his own hard work and everything that got him to compete with Messi at that level, which in a sense is admirable from that point as well. And that's what also makes him easy to hate, because he's more of a kind of person कि यार ये हमारी तरह, हम इसकी तरह हो सकते थे और ये तो निकल गया, हम नहीं निकले.
Yeah,
Messi
I
को देख
think
के
he should be playing. I do think, but I think he should be taken off around the 60th minute. If
I
he is
completely
having a
agree.
terrible game, you can't play him the
Yeah,
whole 90 minutes. That just seems
exactly,
weird.
exactly. I completely
Especially
agree.
if he's
He's
having a
effective.
bad game. All about he's
If
having a really good game, but he's unlucky. But if he's having a terrible game, 2-3 touches and you take him off in the 65th
he's
minute. I
also
remember
effective.
Jota always used to be on the bench for this guy and then come on and score a goal. And next match again, Martinez would go back to Ronaldo. So they lost Jota, who I think would have been really good in this World Cup for them. But
हाँ
they need to take him off. 60th minute, if he isn't doing well, Martinez
Correct.
needs to have the balls to take him off, which I don't think he does. I think वो डर रहा है वही चीज है
Correct.
कि वो slot और
तुम
सलाह वाला सीन है.
यार
तो
रोबर्टो मार्टिनेज ने बेल्जियम की गोल्डन जनरेशन पर कर दी, खत्म कर दी.
Destroy की थी. Yeah.
अब ये बंदा
yeah,
I
पोर्चुगल
never
के पीछे
rated
आया
him as a मुझे समझ नहीं आता उसका why is he so highly rated. I've never
yeah, that's
understood.
great. Atom, the same cheese. If you look at the numbers, with Ronaldo, it's like 2.5, 2.6 goals per game. Without Ronaldo, it goes up to, or not game goals, chances created. And without Ronaldo, it goes up to like 3.7 or something. But numbers, you can never trust numbers enough, because one of the game, they've only played 4 games without Ronaldo, 25 with Ronaldo. So वो भी average stack खराब हो जाता है. Plus one of the 4 games, they beat Armenia 9-1. So it's like, if you remove that, you kind of then feel what I'm saying earlier. The numbers come back to the same story. You're with or without Ronaldo, उनकी तो front three का ही मसला है, right? They've got a fantastic midfield, and on that as well, I kind of feel, maybe it's not a popular opinion and stuff, that sometimes Lampard, Gerrard, not everyone can work together. Maybe Ruben Neves, Vitinha, Bruno Fernandes, not all can play. Or João Neves, sorry. Maybe Ruben Neves does need to come in. He's a bit more defensive minded, and he needs to start the game. You can't have everyone trying to do something. Yeah,
You
but
can't drop Bruno. You can't drop Vitinha.
João Neves, I probably thought Vitinha की जगह Ruben Neves कर सकता है, but it's
Vitinha is
open
classy.
to debate, right? No, obviously,
Classy,
all of
Vitinha.
them are classy, but everyone needs to step up, right? What did anyone do in this entire match, right? One guy is annoying, but there's always like take a shot, do something, right? There wasn't much happening.
मेरे पास
Rafael Leao
रोनाल्डो
is like for me extremely overrated. I've always felt that. I've said that in our group as well. He even if on days when he's making good runs on the wing, his delivery is never good. He is
Polish
never
नहीं.
good at delivering like into the box or finishing. So it is
And
it is
by
a
now
point
he
to
should have
cover.
developed that. I think 2 years ago you looked
Exactly.
at him and you were like, wow, this guy is going to be good. But अब तक वो आया नहीं है.
Yeah.
Sort of
That's
like
why I
Kingsley.
think Trincao, Kosensao, those guys need to start. The problem with those guys as well is right, they're not like Quaritch Khelia ki tarah starters at their club level either. It's all impact players that are up there with a guy who's probably going to play the next World Cup. मुझे
ये
लगता है वो
रोनाल्डो
next
के
Euro तो
साथ
खेलेगा.
मेरा इशू ये रोनाल्डो के साथ कि मतलब जैसे अब टूर्नामेंट्स में ये होता है ना, जैसे ये वन ऑफ चांसेस आपको मिलती हैं, वन ऑफ गेम्स होती हैं, इन गेम मोमेंट्स होते हैं ना, वो बहुत क्रूशियल होते हैं. अभी जैसे पहले मैच में पोर्चुगल का किसके साथ था? डॉक्टर
Congo
कॉन्गो.
से.
डॉक्टर कॉन्गो से था. तो अभी 2 ऐसे चांस आए थे वहाँ, ही कुड हैव लेफ्ट द बॉल ब्रूनो के लिए. ब्रूनो पीछे था. ब्रूनो कुड हैव स्कोर्ड. वी हैव सीन ब्रूनो स्कोर दीस गोल्स इन द प्रीमियर लीग.
Yeah.
लेकिन नहीं, वो छोड़ता ही नहीं है. कोई बॉल नहीं छोड़ता. बॉल उसके पीछे जा रही है. वो वहां से किक कर रहा है बॉल को. तो उसमें
Yeah.
ये बहुत इशू है.
बट तुम देखो ना, गेम भी तो ऐसे सेटअप किया हुआ है कि रोनाल्डो को बोला है मार्टिनेज ने, तुम वहां खड़े हो, बॉल आएगी तो मारना. उसके माइंड में भी यही है कि मैं नहीं करना है सारा, कोई और स्ट्राइकर और गोल स्कोरर ही नहीं है कहीं, मैं नहीं करना है, जहां भी बॉल जा रही है मेरे लिए आ रही है, मुझे कुछ करना है. अब
दैट्स अ
वो
गुड पॉइंट. हाँ, और
राइट,
ऑप्शन नहीं
इट्स
इनके
जस्ट
पास.
I just think they should have gone for like a Mourinho or someone. There was an ideal time. He wanted to be Portugal manager. He was probably the only one जो रोनाल्डो को निकाल देता, कहता है यार कटो, बस अब कुछ और चाहिए.
वैसे भी पट्टा इसका पुराना है.
हाँ, ऑन एंड ऑफ तो इनके अपने अपना चलते ही रहता है, बट और ही कुड हैव डन समथिंग टू मेक हिम अग्री कि यार इस तरीके से खेलेंगे, ये अप्रोच होगी. एंड व्हाटएवर द फाइट, ही माइट हैव हैड दैट अमाउंट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट फॉर मोरिनियो कि यार अच्छा मैं ये कर लेता हूँ, मैं इस तरीके से चेंज कर लेता हूँ. मार्टिनेज का तो आना ऐसे ही था कि यार इसको ले आओ, बस अब मेरी मर्जी, मैं चलाऊंगा क्लब.
कोई और ऑप्शन नहीं था.
Yeah, Roberto Martinez nearly signed him, by the way. पता है ना रज़ा, ब्रेंडन रॉजर्स और ये दोनों वो थे फाइनल 2 कैंडिडेट्स, एंड ही वेंट फॉर रॉजर्स. हाँ, दोनों का, बिकॉज उस वक्त मार्टिनेज वाज हॉट प्रॉपर्टी ना, बेगम को मैनेज कर रहा था. आई थिंक इसने वो कप भी जिताया था, कार्डिंग कप था, जिताया था.
डाउनफॉल ही रहा है इसका
जब से इसके बाल गए ना, जब से पता नहीं अजीब और अनबेरेबल हो गया है अपने हेयर स्टाइल के साथ भी. बट
बहुत pragmatic है.
yeah, if I'm honest, like Portugal for me was I was saying for me, my top teams for the World Cup, and सबके biases होते हैं club के, for them my top 3, not who will win but who I wanted to win, was probably like first Portugal, second France, third Brazil.
But who do you think will win? Top 4.
I think France is and Argentina are going to be. We might have like another
Argentina. नहीं
Argentina. I think like I thought the level was going to drop.
France.
मुझे इंग्लैंड लग रही है. I have a bad feeling England might.
Semi-finals, I think England's going to. I think they had a fantastic game against Croatia. Like I don't think I had seen them खेलते थे टूर्नामेंट में आगे जाके recently, लेकिन opening game में इतना big team के against वो करना, they often fell flat.
They seem to have something about them this time around, or Kane, the way he's going. मुझे बहुत bad feeling है कि England जीतने वाली है.
मुझे भी बहुत bad feeling है कि
Tuchel भी तो crazy है यार.
Tuchel crazy है. Bellingham's coming good. Tuchel took some tough choices, tough decisions, and I think it made sense, right?
Yeah,
because
that's what it
Foden and
takes.
Palmer,
Southgate
if
was
they
too
weren't
nice
gonna
to make these kind of calls,
and if they weren't gonna start, बेंच पे बस नॉइज लगते रहती है. इंग्लिश मीडिया इसकी जान को लगा रहता है, इसको खिलाओ बेंच में, इसको स्टार्ट करो, ये कहते रहे. नाउ देयर इज लाइक ही हैज हिज लिमिटेड टीम, राइट? अपनी 13-14 से ही स्टार्ट करेगा, बाकी उसके फिंच प्लेयर्स हैं, जरूरत हुई तो कर लिया. आई थिंक इंग्लैंड आर गोना गो फार एज वेल. इंग्लैंड, फ्रांस, Argentina. I still think Argentina. One would have thought Messi is gonna he's down and stuff. I just think उसको ज़्यादा relaxation और spa time मिल गया to come back pressure. And he always, man, brings the magic. Like you can't, no matter what. So I think these three teams are definitely gonna go far.
Yeah.
I think जो team possession based football खेलती है and they can keep the ball well and they can rotate the squad well, which I think England and France के पास ये luxury भी है. They've got quality coming off the bench.
Yeah.
Their benches. So I think these teams can win because I don't know heat कितनी है, summer कितनी है अमेरिका में जो यूरोप में नहीं होती है. But I think these guys will. ये teams हैं England and France. Maybe Spain. I don't think so. Spain के पास वो extra नहीं है.
Spain ka, I think some of those things. I don't know why Nico Williams is not starting or didn't start today. I don't know what injury. Yeah, that's the new approach of getting him off the bench. They have a decent striker, Nations League and stuff में आगे देख World Cup stage पे वो कितना आगे तक जाएगा, कितना वो चलता रहेगा, I'm not too sure. So yeah, Spain defense is okay, right? You need strong defense as well. So I kind of I'm scared about England.
Really Germany को कोई नहीं कर रहा, by the way. They have a very decent squad. Well,
they could be the dark horse, right? I think I said that to someone the other day that बिल्कुल भी कोई बात नहीं कर रहा जर्मनी की.
ये मेरे 4 सेमीफाइनलिस्ट हो सकते हैं. जर्मनी, हॉलैंड, फ्रांस, इंग्लैंड.
हाँ, नेदरलैंड्स के पास भी गैक्पो है तो स्ट्रॉन्ग कंटेंडर्स.
वही ना, उनके लिए खेलता है वो.
But yeah, and Sweden was disappointing. Not that a lot of people expected too much of them, but kind of like they was really pushed over. I thought maybe they had a better.
अयारी उनका मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा यार. क्या लॉन्ग रेंजर्स मारता है अयारी.
Oh yeah.
स्वीडन का.
Yeah.
क्रेजी यार उसके क्या लॉन्ग रेंजर्स है.
ब्राइटन के लिए खेलता है ना.
ब्राइटन के लिए खेलता है.
वो ब्राइटन के लिए भी अच्छा सीजन गया था उसका. वो मुझे ज्यादा एफपीएल में काफी एंड में जाके ये जो है ना कुछ 5.5 का था बट क्रेजी पॉइंट्स दे रहा था.
But yeah,
सही यार. चलो boys, let's wrap this up. मजा आया.
Yeah, no. Inshallah you'll come again. Next time मैं जरा टूर दूंगा अपनी facilities.
ठीक है अली, बस ठीक है ना, हो गया.
ठीक है. टिकी कभी आओ अमेरिका यार. हाँ.
इनवाइट के लिए मार देगा.
हाँ. आओ तो मुझे फोन नहीं करना.
थ्रेटनिंग तरीके से क्यों बोला.
आओ तो मुझे फोन नहीं करना.
यार ऐसा तो नहीं बोलने वाले यार. चलो
boys.
Thanks guys. Take care.
Most likely मैं राउंड ऑफ 32 गेम में होऊंगा तो मुझे ढूंढना. मैं कुछ आई हेट टिकी टाइप का बैनर लेके खड़ा होऊंगा ताकि जो है ना मुझ पे कैमरा है, फैन कैमरा है.
शूट करना कंटेंट मैं डालूंगा इस पे फिर.
Okay
boys.
All right
See
boys.
you.
Bye.